What's up guys, Mr. Hemingway here with another video tutorial for you guys. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how you can use the Apple Notes app to scan documents if you don't already know how to do this. I just recently found out about this feature and it is a total game changer for me. As you may know, I work in special education, and in special education, there is a ton of paperwork. And there are certain things that I need to be able to scan and therefore email or fax or just anything like that. So with this video, I wanted to show you guys how you can use the Notes app to scan documents and then you can share them via email rather than having to use a full-on scanner. And the quality of this might surprise you. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to click down here on this plus button on this toolbar, and then we're going to click Scan Documents. And right now you're going to see my carpet, but look what happens when I put this card that my son made me for Father's Day. Notice how it just automatically takes a picture. I didn't have to line anything up. I didn't have to press any buttons. It just did it all by itself. Now, what were to happen if we were to have multiple documents? Let's see if I can get this to line up. Cool. So there is just a blank side of the paper for example's sake. And then here is a schedule from our church. Move camera closer. Perfect. So now you'll see right here where it says Save For. So I'm going to click on that. And then right here, you see that we have everything that we just scanned all in one nice document right here. And this is really good because the way that it scans is really nice and clean. There is a little bit of the carpet that you can see in the background. However, I've tried this on a solid surface before and it takes a picture of and scans it very, very well. You normally cannot see the background like this, but I just wanted to show you guys this for example's sake. So here I have my 4 documents that are scanned into one. So I'm going to go ahead and just click done right here. And then what I can do is I can share it. So I click the export button on the top right hand corner. And then you can see that I can create a PDF. I can print it if I have an AirPrint enabled printer, just something that can print through Wi-Fi. Or I can just go ahead and email it if I know the email address of the person that I'm sending it to, or send a text message as well. So this feature that I just found out about was a total teacher hack for me, total game changer, and I just wanted to share it with you guys so that you could see how simple it is and how good quality scans it is. And I just hope that it is going to make your life easier, as it will make my life a lot easier too when the school year starts. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, as always, please leave a comment down below and share this with somebody else that you think would benefit from using this feature as well. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.